In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete verification process on Remitly. We'll walk through getting to your settings, completing your profile details, and adding a payment card so your account is ready for smooth transfers. Start by heading to the Remitly website. From the homepage, look to the upper right corner where your account name appears and open the menu there. Choose Settings to access the controls you'll need. In Settings, go to Profile Information. Here, carefully review and complete each field. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. Avoid nicknames or abbreviations and include any middle names if they're on your documents. Consistency helps Remitly confirm your identity quickly. Next, fill in your address. Use your current residential address, including apartment or unit numbers, city, state, or province, and postal code. Make sure the spelling and formatting match what appears on official documents or bank statements, as mismatches can delay verification. Then add your phone number. Include the correct country code and ensure this is a number you can receive texts or calls on, because Remitly may send one-time codes for security purposes. Add your email address and any other requested contact details. Choose an email you check regularly so you don't miss important alerts about your account. Double-check everything for typos before moving on. Small errors are the most common reason for hiccups during verification. When your profile looks good, head back to Settings and open Payment Methods. Select Add Payment Method, then choose Card. You'll see a secure form to enter your card details. Type in your card number carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect digits. Enter the expiration date and the security code from the back of your card. For the cardholder name, type it exactly as it appears on the front of the card. You can add a card nickname if you'd like. It's optional but helpful if you plan to store more than one card. Now complete the billing address section. This must match the billing address on file with your card issuer. If your mailing address is different from your residential address, use the address tied to the card to avoid declines during payment authorization. Finally, click Save. After saving, Remitly will use the information in your profile and your payment method to verify your account and help ensure your transfers run smoothly. If something doesn't match, you'll see a prompt to correct it. That's it. Your Remitly profile is complete and your card is added, setting you up for a straightforward verification experience.